think I want to make the sand a little bit yellow and orangish. I guess so. So I have my two colors. Let's see what will come. Wait. Why am I using these two colors? These two colors. I'm gonna make the sea first. See, I'm gonna get my blue color and try making the sea. And I just love drawing or coloring. I just love pink color. And you guys tell me in the comment what's your favorite color. And you'll always know my favorite color is pink, pink, pink. I love this blue color. And you know I just love pink, but right now I just even like blue. And I have color it. I don't want to take it too much time, so I would just color it light, not dark. I don't want to my hand get tired with pressing and coloring. I would just color it light. And guys, I want to ask from you, what is your favorite princess? If you're not a girl, then tell me what's your favorite superhero or favorite actor. Tell me in the comments. My favorite princess is Princess Sleeping Beauty. Yeah, I love her. That's why I love pink. So good. It's like I want to take a straw and drink all of the sea. And in this good, in this winter, I am missing ice cream too much. I wish I could grab a bowl of it and eat it in a one time. But I can't because I'm sick. And another thing, it's winter. So I can't. My nose is stuck. We need to be really careful not to make it ruined. Great. Oops. It's okay. No one's gonna notice it. Snow glow like time chippy. Footprint chip is leaving. King of isolation. Looks like I'm a queen. Winter's howl like a scrolling storm inside. Keeping in how goes that try. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be a good girl, you always have to be. Do you like it? I say don't fear, don't let them know. But now let it go, let it go, let it go. Can't hold it anymore. Let it go, let it go. Let the wave is sad and oh, here lies still in the love. Oh, sorry. I forgot the song. Sorry. I just keep singing my own song. I want to sing. I think I want to sing. You will never put me down. You will never break this heartbeat. So guys, I'm almost done to color the sea. Wow, so my sea is done. Now I'm just gonna color the sun. I need yellow and orange. What do you think, guys? Did the sun only have yellow color, or the sun have orange or red color, or the sun have three of that color, yellow, orange, and red? Tell me in the comments. Hey, I can barely see this yellow color. It's so light. Maybe you can see it in the camera, right? Maybe you can't see it too goodly because it's really light. I'm sorry, guys, but I think I'm gonna try a few more coats. Can you see it now? Let's see if we can see it. Yeah, maybe it's just a little bit. And now you know what I need to do is, you guessed it, make a land. Of course. Now I know you can see the yellow color, right? We are making a land, okay? A land. And you gotta think why it's so fact land, because I don't really say it. Hey, what's green color coming? You know, she means blue and green. Even if we do color yellow on a blue color paper, it became green color. Even the page color is blue, so it even just color common green. You're never gonna break me down. You're never gonna break this heartbeat. Till I would go, till I would go to friendship. Whoa, whoa, I got a music in me. Whoa, whoa, so way up now to ask of me. I got a music in the of me. No water off with me. It's like a joke on me. It's a music, it's a music, it's a music in my song. Oh, this has to be a little bit smaller. Hey, what's this? Olaf, and you do this? You did this, Olaf. Hey guys, do you want to see Olaf standing there behind the computers? Look at. Olaf, come down from there. You know you're falling. You're not going to listen to me. Where's my tissue? My nose is running. I have to wipe my nose every time. Can you with me? Third. Oh, I forgot. It's broken. So do you like my drawing? I know you do. Now you will. Now in the 1 minute, you know you will say, Eshaal, why the wood is orange of a tree? Now, sorry guys, I need to color the tree's wood orange because I don't have brown, and I don't know which color will come if I mix all of these colors. So I'm just gonna color it orange. Sorry, tree. I feel bad for you. It looks like you are wearing a dress. Orange dress. Now, we need to make the leaves. And we are gonna draw coconuts on it. The leaf. How we draw the leaves? I guess I'm just gonna draw it like this. Drawing. Yes. Do you like my drawing? If you do, then write it in the comments. Now let's have this, because look, there's distance. It's like this is flying leaves because there's distance. So we need to color it. And now we will draw the coconuts. We need maybe the coconuts will be colored red. Sorry. Come on, color, show your power. They are mostly like eyes, see? Yay, a face. Smiley face. Let's make a face of this land too. This is not showing, so we will try to make it like orange. It's shrunk, right? Let's make a face of it. Yay, smiley. Look, they are smiling. Yeah, and make a smiley face of the sun. Yes, everyone is spelling. Yes! Yay! So okay, team, I'm drawing. It's so pretty. Now, so guys, this was for today's video. If you like my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So every time I upload a new video, you can have a notification. Okay, bye bye.